If you're looking to monitor open rates in Apollo.io, you've come to the right place. Apollo.io is an incredibly powerful tool for managing your sales outreach and customer engagement, and tracking open rates is a vital part of understanding how your emails are performing. Stick around to the end because I'll also show you how to set up your Apollo.io account for even better results, and you can access this tool completely free with an exclusive bonus link down below. First, let's dive right into how to monitor your open rates in Apollo.io. When you send out email campaigns through Apollo, one of the easiest ways to assess their effectiveness is by looking at your open rates. These show you the percentage of recipients who actually opened your email, helping you gauge the relevance of your subject lines and whether your emails are being seen by the right people. To get started, you'll need to access your dashboard. In the top menu, head over to the Email Campaigns section. This is where all your email sequences, including those where you track open rates, are organized. Once you're there, you'll see a summary of all the campaigns you've run. For each campaign, you can check the performance, including the open rates, click-through rates, and replies. Now, click into a specific campaign to get more detailed information. You'll notice a graph or table that shows your open rates, often displayed as a percentage. This is broken down by different stages of the campaign, whether it's the first email, follow-ups, or replies. Understanding these metrics is crucial for refining your email strategy. If your open rate is lower than expected, you might want to tweak your subject line, adjust the timing, or retarget the right people. But how do you ensure these open rates are accurate and meaningful? The key lies in using Apollo.io's advanced tracking features. Apollo.io tracks opens by embedding invisible tracking pixels in your emails. When a recipient opens an email, the pixel is triggered, and Apollo records the open event. This allows you to monitor the effectiveness of your emails in real time. Next, let's talk about automating your follow-up strategy based on these open rates. For example, if someone didn't open your email within a few days, you can set up automated follow-ups to give them another nudge. Apollo.io's automation tools allow you to set triggers based on open rate activity, so you're always following up at the right time. You can also segment your list based on open rates. If certain recipients are opening every email, you may want to send them more personalized follow-ups. If other recipients aren't opening your emails, perhaps a subject line tweak or a different outreach approach is needed. Apollo makes it easy to segment these groups and customize your messages accordingly. As you gather data on your open rates, you can use this feedback to refine your entire outreach strategy. Apollo.io provides you with detailed reports that give insights not only on open rates, but also on how to optimize your campaigns moving forward. By adjusting your subject lines, timing, and targeting, you can drastically improve your results over time. Before we wrap up, remember you can start using Apollo.io completely free right now through the link below. You'll also get access to some exclusive bonuses that will give you a competitive edge, so don't miss out on that. Finally, tracking open rates in Apollo.io isn't just about gathering data. It's about using that data to drive smarter decisions in your sales and marketing efforts. Whether you're sending cold outreach emails or nurturing leads, understanding how to monitor and act on your open rates is crucial for success. Make sure you use the insights you get from Apollo.io to constantly refine and improve your email strategy. Now that you know how to monitor open rates in Apollo.io, get started today with our exclusive free trial and unlock more advanced features to optimize your campaigns. Check out the first link in the description below for your special offer.